Xiaomi Mijar S3 Drone, 8K dual camera, colorful lights, and intelligent flight for stunning aerials. The Xiaomi Mijar S3 drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for capturing breathtaking aerial photography and videography. Featuring an 8K professional HD dual camera system, vibrant colorful lighting, intelligent flight modes, and easy remote control, the Mijar S3 offers an unparalleled and enjoyable flying experience for both beginners and experienced pilots. Key features: 8K professional HD dual camera, capture stunningly detailed 8K resolution images and videos with the advanced dual camera setup. This ensures exceptional clarity and allows for capturing diverse perspectives simultaneously. Dedicated aerial photography capabilities, perfect for capturing breathtaking aerial views, the Mijar S3 provides a unique and stable platform for photography and videography enthusiasts to explore their creative vision. Vibrant colorful lighting system, elevate your night flights and add a unique visual flair with the integrated colorful lighting system. This not only makes your drone stand out in the sky, but also enhances visibility for safer nighttime operation. Intuitive remote control, effortlessly navigate and control your drone with the included remote control, designed for a seamless and responsive flying experience. Precise maneuvering and stable flight are at your fingertips. Versatile quadcopter toy design, engineered as a fun and accessible quadcopter, the Mijar S3 is perfect for both beginners learning the basics of flight and experienced pilots looking for an agile and feature-rich drone. Intelligent flight modes. Explore various intelligent flight modes that can include features like one-key takeoff or landing, headless mode, altitude hold, waypoint flight, follow me, and orbit mode, making complex shots easier to capture. Stable flight performance. Built with advanced stabilization technology, the Mijar S3 ensures smooth and steady flight, crucial for capturing clear and stable aerial footage. Durable and lightweight construction. Designed for outdoor use, the drone boasts a durable yet lightweight construction, enhancing both its resilience and flight efficiency. Long battery life. Enjoy extended flight times, allowing for more exploration and capture opportunities. Easy to transport and store. The drone is convenient to transport and store when not in use. Smartphone app integration. Enhance your flying experience with a dedicated smartphone app that may offer additional controls, real-time FPV, first-person view, image transmission, and editing capabilities. Product specifications. Brand: Xiaomi Mijia. Model: S3 Drone. Camera resolution: 8K professional HD dual camera. Lighting feature: colorful lighting. Remote control included. Flight modes: quadcopter toy. Overall, the Xiaomi Mijar S3 drone is a compelling option for anyone looking to capture stunning 8K aerial photography and enjoy a fun and feature-rich flying experience. Its dual cameras, vibrant lighting, intelligent flight capabilities, and user-friendly controls make it a versatile and exciting quadcopter for both beginners and experienced pilots alike. Remember to consult the full product specifications for detailed information on flight time, intelligent modes, app features, and foldable design confirmation.